How to add notify me when back in stock or when available. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Go back to the online store and then click on edit theme. Click on app embeds. Embed the app and then click on save. Go back to the app and then click on create campaign. Here we need to select back in stock. Click it here. Here we can change the title. This is only visible for you. Here we can set the inventory. Let's say 100. When inventory is above or equal to 100, notifications are sent to subscribers. Currently we can send emails through essential or omnisend. Then continue to button. Here we can change the text notify me when available or notify me when back in stock. Here we can change the style. Here we can set the custom color as well. After that, continue to pop up. Here we can change the header text notify me when back in stock. Here we can change the description. Here we can change the disclaimer. Here we can change the font size. We can customize it according to our requirements and then click on email. Here we can edit the email. We can upload a stored logo as well from here. We can change the font from here as well. After that, click on back in stock products. Here we can select the products. If you want for all products, you can click it here. If you want specific collection, you can choose collection from here. If you want for specific products, you can select the product from here. Let's say we want for luxury watch and then click on publish. Back in stock was successfully published in your store. Now let's check in the store. As you can see here, notify me when back in stock. When we click here, it will ask for email. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.